The Center of Nanoscale Materials holds a very special place in my heart because it was the first time I ever saw what nanomaterials and nanotechnology actually was. And that's when I said, like, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. I am Betmarie Matos. I come from the Polytechnic University of Puerto Rico, and I work for the Nanoscience and Technology Division and Supervisor Ralu Divan. I would like to specialize in nanoengineering because as I've been here and other experiences, I've discovered that I really love nanomaterials and everything that has to do with nanotechnology, and I would like to dive myself a little bit more. Nanoengineering is practically the fabrication of stuff on a nanoscale, nano devices, nanoelectronics, nanobots, nanomedicine. I just feel that nanoengineering will be the science of the future. I am working on the fabrication of phase diagrams for X-ray optics because Dr. Liao, we are collaborating with Dr. Liao in the fabrication of these phase diagrams. He wants to expand the X-ray beam, so when he shoots a spot in the X dimension, it is flexible in the Y dimension. And the phase diagram is going to be put against the optical fiber, so when he shoots the rays, since the phase mask has the ability to change the intensity of X-rays, when he puts it against this optical fiber, it will modify the optical fiber beneath that phase diagram. Electroplating is the last step in the fabrication process, and it's practically the process of having an electric current that reduces dissolved metal cations, so they form a thin metal coating in an electrode, so it can modify the surface property of the object.
Right now we're doing metrology in samples that we electroplated, that is depositing gold in the surface, and the sample of metal assisted etching because we were having trouble with the silicon etching. So we tried an alternative route to see how it turned out. The electroplating is happening right here, and we dip it in the solution with this power supply, and with this method we are trying to fill the ridges of the structures with gold, and on the top too, to just have a gold covered and filled structure. So we got really good results finally after our third try to play with the pattern meters and the current and the milliseconds of pulse and not pulse, and oh my god, it felt so good to see like the structures really filled in with gold. Hopefully I'm in a new machine so I can get even better pictures. So I'm really excited about this. Yay! Hi, afternoon, you guys. This is a party because we got it! Woo! Yes! This is practically what electroplating was, just to fill the gaps with gold, which with EDX is practically confirmed that it's gold. And as our supervisor said, it went well, so I'm super excited. Look at how pretty that looks, and we just gotta add more time and this will be golden.
Since we are so close to Chicago, I actually went there a couple times. I went to Greektown, went to Chinatown, went to the Blues Fest, went to different places. I got deep dish pizza. I also had, I did a road trip to Michigan one time for the 4th of July. It's been a pretty nice summer. I would like to work in a national lab because it gives me the opportunity to grow even after I got my PhD, because I can go into my own research. The ability to create something new or discover something new is exciting, and I really want that in my day-to-day life. It's special specifically because of the people. Because, for example, when I kept in contact with my supervisor and then the hurricane happened, like, she actually reached out and she's like, hey, like, do you need anything? Is your family okay? What's going on? I've seen the news, and I got that support from her, and she actually just took me in more than just a student, and I really appreciate that. And then after I told her everything that happened, she offered me this opportunity, and I see it as a way not only to grow, but also to be able to help my family while I'm here, and I'm really grateful for the experience.